Hi guys, you are watching the Vancaskeys. Today, we are going to take you through a first impression walkthrough of a
Pleasureway Ontour, and it is on the Ford chassis.
And we've actually had a hard time finding Class Bs on Ford chassis, so we are really excited that we found one today. We haven't seen it. We want to do a total first impression walkthrough. Is it a 2020?
This one's a 2023.
Okay, 2023.
And before we get into this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're new here, you can click that. It'll notify you when our videos come out. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps out the channel.
It really does help us out. And press the like if you like it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I want to personally show you guys, which I love, is right up here. Look at how much headroom there is. This is amazing. The headroom, especially if you're tall, you're gonna love it. I just love this. Normally in other vans, they take up this space with, some people call it like a pizza oven, but it's a storage unit. I would rather lose that storage and have all this headspace, if you ask me. But this is just amazing. I love it. It's comfortable. I mean, it feels so much more spacious and roomy. And for somebody who's 6 feet tall, like I am, and Bob's 6'1", that's really important when you're looking into buying a Class B van. I love just everything I'm seeing right here. This screen is a lot bigger than I'm used to seeing. You got your cup holders right here. Simple. This. I mean, honestly, I can see myself driving this.
The first thing I noticed being up here is, compared to the Ram ProMaster, we're actually sitting a little bit closer together. The vehicle maybe seems a little narrower, but for sure the seats are closer here. And you're a little bit lower, which I actually think is a good thing because you get a better line of sight. In our Ram, you sit really high, and I don't know, the view, you just seem to be looking down more. So this gives you a little bit lower profile looking forward. But very nice finishes for the Ford. And yeah, I don't got anything bad to say. I think it looks nice.
Yeah. I mean, I just want to reiterate, I don't think I've ever sat in a Ford chassis before. And I am blown away how much I love it.
One thing that is also nice about being on a Ford chassis, the maintenance is a little less expensive than, let's say, the Mercedes. So that's actually a good thing. And there's service centers all over the country.
So you're a fan of the Ford, is what you're saying?
I'm a fan of the Ford. I like some of the options that the chassis comes with, you know, whether it's all-wheel drive or the, I forget what the engine's called, the EcoBoost engine. There's just a lot of really cool options that different models have. So coming in from the slider, the first thing you see is this gigantic bathroom, which is super nice, roomy, tall enough that I could actually take a shower in it.
Go ahead, Bob, get in the shower.
I'm in the shower. Look, I can actually like hold this above my head and take a shower.
I mean,
this is nice. You can sit here, do your business. You've got plenty of room and some nice storage for your reading materials. So normally I'm not a huge fan of the sink here in the bathroom, but they did a really nice job with this one. And it's kind of out of the way so that I'm not kind of pulling it down into the shower where I'm standing. It's just here, and it's a nice place to store things.
I can see where this would come in handy with like brushing your teeth, because oh my, you'd put your stuff right there, right? You can brush your teeth. You're in your own room. You have room to be in there. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah,
very nice.
I am a fan of a sink in this size bathroom.
Yes.
And what we should tell them, Bob, is if you're new here, you might not know, we actually own the Ram ProMaster 3500. It's a Thor Talaro 20A. If you want the backstory on that, you can click any of these videos. It'll tell you the whole journey that we've had of owning that van. It's been some high highs, but a lot of low lows. So I'm even more impressed with this Ford van right now. Moving into the kitchen area, nice and roomy. Oh, there is more space in here than in our van. So the Ford is definitely taller on the inside. I'm loving that. In the kitchen area, you have the induction stove, which Bob's not a huge fan of, but we could get used to it. Right, Bob?
Absolutely.
Okay, he is the cook though. You have this nice sink. Nice and big area. Oh, the quality just feels so good. This feels real, but maybe not. I don't know.
Very.
You have all the drawers. You have underneath the sink, so much storage. I am just, for losing the storage up top, they really do give you a lot more storage throughout this van. And as we move through the kitchen, you have a microwave, the refrigerator.
With a remote.
With a remote. I guess it's remote. Just joking. It's for the TV. You have an ice maker. Oh, it's so cold in here. Oh, this feels good. I think this is a nice size fridge. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the kitchen, other than, you know, you have cabinets for even more storage. And then I would think this might be a pantry. Oh, it's kind of a closet area, actually. This closet area right here, you can kind of hang some coats and shirts and stuff up there. Yeah, this is kind of nice.
So back here in the bedroom area, we've got the power bed. So this obviously can be a nice little seat that you can fold up or fold down. There does appear to be enough room on each. Oh, no, I guess not.
I think it comes out and just makes one like almost king size bed.
Well, typically, where is it? I don't know.
I don't know. What about under the other couch? No.
No.
Oh, you know what it was in here. Look at that's what that was.
Oh, okay. So these are your two boards that go across this to make this into a bed, and you can just slide these pieces in.
Wow.
And then they store and secure in here.
And there was two pieces.
There's two of those.
Awesome.
But it does appear that there's enough room that if you wanted to, you could just sleep on that side. Like, I wonder if you could like disconnect this. Oh, it just Velcros on. Okay.
So you could.
You know, one of the things that we like is a fixed bed. So what you could do is have just one person sleep here and one person sleep on this side. Or you can make it into one big giant bed.
I think you have to show the people.
I think, you know, you could sleep this way. I mean, oh, there goes my glasses. Hang on.
Oh, no.
Whew. It is warm in there. Oh, I don't need these.
Yeah,
it is warm in there. So this is a very nice big bed that you can easily sleep on.
And look at their seatbelts.
There are seat belts with buckles. And yes, you have your TV with your sound bar and your control system.
Oh,
right there.
Nice. Anything cool about these windows?
Well, they do open. These appear to be the tip outs. So you can open them up at night for some nice ventilation and keep them open when it rains.
Oh, that's nice.
Those are nice.
And I'm assuming there's shades.
Yes. You got a shade right here that you can pull down. Well, hang on.
There you go.
Nice blackout shades you can pull down and they tuck away really nicely.
Sweet. So we got a good window right there. Nice size window, two back windows, nice size window, AC unit.
And a fan behind you for like cooking or, you know, just some nice ventilation.
Yeah.
You could open up these two side windows and then turn your fan on and get a nice cross breeze for good ventilation at night.
Yeah.
It's really solid design. So this is the Ford Transit 3500 Pleasure Way. You can see it's dually.
Oh, stop it. I did not know that.
So you have awesome towing capacity. And, oh, I forgot. It is all-wheel drive EcoBoost. So great engine, very reliable, nice. This is your hot water heater. You have your connections for power and water, city water, and your outdoor shower right behind the driver's door.
Comes with an awning.
The only negative that I can see is the alignment of where the sliding door is and the roof profile coupled with the awning. The awning actually won't cover the door if it's just cracked open. And if it's raining, you're gonna get wet inside the van. And then on top of that, you kind of have this awkward overhang at the front of the van to try to get that as far forward as possible. So that's the only negative that I can see so far.
And the last thing, which you probably saw on the thumbnail, which is, here's the price. It's $154,000. List price is $177,000, discount of 22. What does that mean? I mean, I don't know. They always do that, right? But truthfully, I think this van is amazing. If you have a budget of $154,000 plus taxes and fees and all of that, I think this is great. I do think it's really expensive for an RV, if you're asking me. But like I said, if you have the budget and this is what you want, I think it's a really, really great option. If I had the budget and we weren't already like stuck in what we're in currently, man, this would definitely be in the running. So I'm a fan, I love it. I think ultimately what I really love is the Ford. That's what I really love. Just the size of the Ford.